Hi folks, in this video we're going to look at collecting like terms. So all of the terms are just things between plus and minus signs basically, but any plus and minus signs are attached to the term on the right. So all of those are terms in this question. We've got 5 terms here. So collecting like terms means to add together all of the terms that have the same variables in them, if they've got any variables, or just adding together all the numbers in them if there's any numbers on their own. So what we would do is look at the x's first and just collect all of those first, add all of the terms with x in them first, and then move on to the next variable and add all of those together and just go through it like that. So if we look at the x's, we've got a 2x, a 4x and a 3x. If we add all of those together, 2x plus 4x is 6x, and then 6x plus 3x will give us 9x. So there's 9 x's in this all together, and then we can look at the y's. We've got a 3y there, minus y there, 3y take away y is just 2y. So all of this is just equal to 9x plus 2y, and doesn't that just look a lot simpler than 2x plus 3y plus 4x plus 3x minus y? So that's why we would collect like terms. It just neatens up the work a little bit. If all of that was equal to 7 plus 2y, then it's a lot simpler to look at that being equal to 7 plus 2y. So then it looks a lot simpler to solve from there. Alright, let's look at another example. So in this one we've got 5x plus 2 plus 3x minus y plus 5. Alright, so first of all let's look at the x's. So we've got 5x plus 3x, so that's 8x. And then we've got some numbers on their own here as well. We've got plus 2 and plus 5. 2 plus 5 is just 7, so that's just plus 7. And then there's a random minus y with no other terms with y in it, just on the end there. So if we collect like terms there, we end up with 3 terms, one with x, one with y, and just a number on its own. So all of that is just equal to 8x plus 7 minus y. Let's do one more example. So in this one we've got x squareds and x in it. So x and x squared are not like terms. We can't add x to x squared. So 2x squared plus x is not 3x squared or 2x cubed or 3x cubed or anything like that. It's just separate. It has to be just 2x squared plus x. We can times them together, but we can't add or subtract x to x squared. So in this one we need to look at all the x squareds first of all. So we've got 2x squared and minus x squared. If we've got 2x squared and we take away an x squared, that's just 1x squared or x squared. And then we look at the x's. We've got plus x and plus 4x, so that's 5x altogether, so plus 5x. And then there's just this plus 1 on the end there, which we can just tag on to the end. So x squared plus 5x plus 1 is the same as all of that complicated looking stuff. So that is collecting like terms.